In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Google Chrome is not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first thing I suggest you do is you come to Task Manager. In here you want to click on Details, sort by the name, and then you want to close down everything Google Chrome related. So click on Chrome, End Task, End Task, End Task, and do out all of the Chrome stuff. Then you want to press Enter and press G. And then you want to look for anything called Google. It can be like Google Crash Handler or Google Crash Service or Google Services. And if you have any of those, you want to end those as well. Once you've done that and you've made sure that you've closed down everything, the second thing you want to do is you want to try and find your Google Chrome. So search for Google Chrome, right click, and then you want to open file location. In here you want to right click on it again and open file location, and this will bring you to the Chrome folder. What you should do in here is find Chrome, rename, and then you want to add anything at the end, any number. It can be like 4 or something. We just want to change the name, and then you want to put this, right click, create a shortcut, and you want to place it on your desktop. Then you want to try and use this shortcut to open and see if that one works. Now if that doesn't work, you can just delete it and then you can just put it back. And then the last thing you should try is come to Apps and Features and then simply try and do a reinstall of Google Chrome. So just search for Google Chrome, uninstall, and then head over and reinstall it. After you've done all of this, try and restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.